Hi everybody, it's day 20 of the 20-day Christmas craft challenge. I made it to the end. Okay, so today I thought we'd do something different, something that we haven't already done. And I had this vase, so I thought I'd make a floral centerpiece for this using artificial flowers. Of course, I got these vases. I think I got them at Michael's, but I could be wrong. Don't remember. I have a bunch of them in my stash. So let's go ahead and make something nice with this. All right, so I got my vase and I want to put in some ornaments. And I think I'm going to go red and gold. I think I'm going to go the colors today. So take your ornaments and I got these at, I think, well, they were in my stash, so it's hard to tell. They could have either got them at Michael's or somewhere else, but probably Michael's because that's where I mostly go. And I'm just going to put some ornaments in the bottom, and I'm going to use gold shiny and gold satin in the bottom. Okay, Lexi's up here wanting to have a look. Let's go. Go, go, go. So just put your ornaments down in the bottom. So I think 3 works. 3 works. And then I'm going to go red. I'm going to put red ones in. So I've got a little box here with a bunch of ornaments. I think, yeah, that'll work. These ones will go all right. And I'm using an assortment of sizes. It's just what I have. I'm using what I have. One more maybe. Let's go this way. All right, and then I'm going to go gold again. But I think I'm going to have to go smaller than the other ones I put in. So just kind of half-heartedly put these in here. If you're making this for yourself, it doesn't have to be any specific way, but you want it to be pretty. And I want to put maybe some smaller ones in. I got a whole box of small ornaments here. And you just want it to look good. So I think that looks fine. Maybe one more. Let's go with that. Okay, so I've just put red and gold in there. That's the colors I have set out. And you're going to need now some double-sided tape. And what I do is just put it on here across. Just cut it off. And know how much I got here. And I'm just going to have to take this apart. So I want to put it here. And just, I'm not a florist, but this is one thing that I wanted to do. See if I could do it. So just take your, I just use a safety pin and just pick off the top part of that if you can. And if you can't, no worries. Just put it down like that. You're not going to see this. Let's go with that. And then take another one and go, I think I'll go here. Just putting this down. And then I'm going to go just one across the center. So this is what I've made, sort of a star shape. Like this. So these ornaments can't fall out. And then I can put some stuff inside the top of it and not have to worry about it being disruptive. So let's see what I've got. I want this to be quite high. So what I think I'll do first is I've got these picks, and I got, looks like I got these ones from Dollar Tree last year. They were in my stash, or maybe the year before, hard to say. And I want to cut that off. Let's see what I have to cut that off with. Cut it off. Yeah, I want to cut it off. Definitely want to cut it off. Maybe I could just do this. No, that's not going to work. I have to get something big to cut that off with. Hang on a second. Let's see what I've got here in my toolbox. Got some aviation snips. Let's go with that. So, Lexi's here, hanging out at the front. watching everything that's going on. So just cut this off with my aviation snips. Works all right. So I want to go with the gold and red kind of thing. And if you've got this stuck in there, once I get everything in, they won't pull out. They're just going to sit in there like that. Let's see what else I got here. Let's see. Got all this stuff. This is kind of what I got. I got like a red one. I got these bally things. I got at Michael's. They're kind of cute. I got this. I got at Michael's. I like it. And I got some of this. I think I got this from Dollar Tree. It's all got glitter on it, so glitter is everywhere. And then I got this. And that's pretty tall, and I like that. So I'm going to put this in next. Kind of just jam it down so it's nice and secure. And everything else is just going to sit against it, abut it. So let's see. Do I want to put some of these in next? I think so. So I'm just cutting these off. And I'm just going to stick these kind of randomly in here. So it looks good. And I'll do the same on the other side. So just stick this in. Looks cute. And then I have this one that I think I'll put on the back. So once it's done, just clip it off. And this double-sided tape, if it sticks, see, I thought it would stick. It's not sticking. Maybe because I didn't stick it down enough. There we are. Yeah, it's going to work. I'm just going to cut this off with my aviation snips. Let's see if I can do it. Yep, did it. I'm just going to put this on the back side. There you go. And I really like these bally things, so I'm going to stick them in there and cut them off. Perfect. And I'm just going to stick this where the red is. That looks good. I like it. And I like this too. I think this is pretty. I want more gold than red. Just take your tags off if you can. And I'm just going to put this in here. We'll turn it around. We'll spin it around for you guys to see. Use your aviation snips or whatever, tin cutters to cut this stuff off. Just take this and stick it in again. And just do this so until it looks good. Okay. I think it's cute. And I like the base with all these ornaments in it. So I just got some of this filler that it comes out at Christmas time at a dollar store, this filler here. And I want to put some gold and some red in there just to kind of fill up the rest. Stick that in there. Got a blank space here, so I have to find something to put in there, I think. But that's good because then I can just stuff this other stuff in. I need to put something in there. What do I have? I think that looks good, but I need something here. So I'm just going to cut that off a little bit. What do I have? Let me look. Let me look in my stash. I have some of this greenery stuff. Let's put that in there. Just taking these tags off. See, and I've used one, so I'm just going to use these two. I'm going to push this up to the front or the top and just use my aviation snips and just cut it off. And just stick this down so it covers up stuff, which is good. See? Now I still have a space here, and I don't like it. So let's make something for there. Just going to put all this stuff away. Garbage. Here's what we've got so far. But see here? It's a blank space. So I have glitter everywhere. It's okay, it's Christmas. It's what happens at Christmas. So I have this roping, plastic roping, and I think I'm going to make like a bow type thing. So I'm just going to loop it a few times. Just do this. Because I think this will go well in the front. And I've used this before and I quite like it. Keeping with the gold and red kind of deal. That should be enough. I like that. I'm just going to cut it off. I'm just using the aviation snips because they're handy. Well, no, when they don't work. So let's use this. And then I have a red Chanel stem, glitter one. And I'm just going to tie this in the center. And I pull these up and I twist these things, not the Chanel stem. And what I like to do, see how I want it to be this way? I don't like this, so I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to cut that off too. I don't like it. There we go. So because I want this to be kind of closed, I'm going to take see if I've got something here. I've got a zip tie. It's just a thin zip tie, and I'm just going to come around the base of this. Lexi wants that. Can't have it, my friend. Lexi's my cat. She likes to be anywhere I am. So I'm just going to come around the base of this. It's the wrong way. Let's go this way. See, sometimes you have to improvise if things don't go your way. So that's why I'm improvising here. It was a challenge to get 20 days of crafts in. They still work. So I'm just going to pull this down a bit, my zip tie. And once I've determined that's what I want, I just move it down a bit more. That looks good. And I just pull it nice and snug and cut it off. So here's my Chanel stem. I'm just going to turn it this way and kind of wrap it so it can fit into the vase. And it's pretty secure. All right. And then I'm just going to take this and stick it in that blank space right here. And it kind of takes the place of a bow. Just jam it down. And now I like it. Okay. Got a bit of green, but I like the green with the gold, and it looks good. And that's it. That's what we got for day 20 of the 20-day Christmas craft challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed these 20 days of crafts. Make sure that you like and subscribe, because I always put on crafts. Do all sorts of things on my YouTube channel. Reese, whatever. Anyways, that's it. 20 days is in the books. Thanks very much for watching. As always, love you all, and we'll see you again soon. Bye now.